Everyone, my name is Ian. Welcome to the 7th Gen Accord channel. I decided to make this video because I had an issue recently where the dashboard lights and the gauges would flicker while I'm driving, and the lights would go off for a split second, including the stereo lights. And that also includes the headlights, the interior lights. Everything would go off for a split second and come back on. The engine would dip in RPM but wouldn't really stop. I was trying to find a solution online, Googled, checked on YouTube. There was nothing specific, but I did find out what the problem was. It was a P0685 code, which is the PCM relay. So first of all, you all should check the normal things. Check for battery terminal corrosion, broken battery wires, check for the earth connection. If all of that checks out, the next thing you all should check is on the kick panel on the passenger side. In here is your PCM connector, and if you open this, you'll see the connector and you'll be able to see the connector plugs. Just push that in a bit, and then also on the driver's side here above the fuse box, you'll be able to see the PCM relay, which is the second brown color relay, or the brown color relay in the middle. There are three in a row, the top row. Just remove the one in the middle, clean it if it needs to be cleaned, put it back, reset the code with a scanner. Even a cheap Bluetooth one will work fine, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.